What the rise of these data providers has done is provide the linkage between online and offline. And what that's done is allowed us to begin to think about a more holistic way of managing the relationships and the interactions with customers and prospects. So for our clients, it's about not just the display media, it's about the search landing pages, it's about what's happening on their website, it's about what's happening in email and their offline programs, and bringing those all together.
Clients really need one thing to increase their digital media spend, and that's confidence. Confidence that it's working. Confidence that they have the tools, the power, the manpower and womanpower, talent to really see it through. Clients are not going to step in with big money budgets on pilots or tests. They're going to step in with big increases in digital dollars when they have the confidence that those tests will actually be accurate, readable, and actionable.
One of the things that I think needs to happen in order for our clients to really increase spend and increase scale would be taking advantage of the data available as well as the real-time bidding environment, which will allow them to focus their budgets more succinctly on exactly who it is they want to target.
A performance metric is kind of hard to pin down, but I think what they should be focused on is targeting, making sure they're hitting the right audience and doing so at a great reach.
It's exciting to be on the cutting edge of any industry, but particularly for digital marketing, where the rate of change is so fast. It's really exhilarating for people who have the right temperament and an iron stomach.
John Nardone has a very famous saying, you can't teach smart. And hiring smart people who are passionate about what they do is the key to talent success.